So why is AMC pulling on back? What's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBot Solutions. Just a little heads up, letting you guys know, I'm still holding 2,000 shares. I'm down $15,000 or $14,000 on the day. You know, I've said this so many times before. If I want to partake in those huge pushes that it's had before, right? I was here when it pushed up to highs of $77. I made $70,000 in a day. You really think I'm going to complain about a 7% pullback? It's part of the process, right? The only people freaking out right now are the people that were not prepared to buy more or to be able to buy more. It's not even about buying more, but to be able to buy more, the option at these lower levels. The people that are fully invested, and you can see their emotional comments down below. If you are someone that is uneasy, that you feel like an emotional mess, it simply means that you have too much money behind your trade. AMC is a risky stock, but it comes with great potential. Does it mean that it has to play out that way? Of course not. There's two sides to every opportunity, and you should not be discouraged to think about it or to prepare for it or to talk about it, right? It's common sense. Very common support level at $50 a share, very common resistance level right around $60 to $65 a share. On the technical side, it makes sense on why AMC is pulling on back, 100%. Fundamentals are not there. And on the technical side, it's been sideways for 2 to 3 weeks. It's losing its momentum, 100%. There's so much attention elsewhere right now with the overall market. You shouldn't be mad at anyone. It's just how the stocks work, right? Because of this pullback, right? I have 2,000 shares, I have $100,000. I'd love to be able to buy more. I'd love to double my position when it makes sense, right? So if it pulls on back to the SMA line, just like it did last time, right? Pulls on back and we get indication of reversal, just know that I'm gonna be right there if we get proper indication of reversal. I'd love to buy the dip and ride the recovery with all of you guys. But if AMC continues to sell off, then guess what? I'm gonna do my part in managing my position size and managing my risk as everyone else should, right? The only people, I can't stress this enough, the only people that freak out, not just on AMC, but on any stock, when the market pulls back or when that stock pulls back, are those that were not prepared. Those that were fully invested at those higher levels and that have no more money to buy at the lower levels. Those are the people that are complaining down in the comments section about, oh my God, like AMC, why are you talking about it pulling back? Because it's something that people need to prepare for. That I'm all for. I want AMC to go to the moon, right? We all do. But we can't be scared to talk about the risk involved. It should only be that much more encouraging to only take advantage of opportunities that make sense to you. And the only way that you can make sense of a trade is by understanding the risk, the opportunity costs for how much upside versus how much downside. So again, I'm not here to convince you to get into it, as I'm not here to convince you to get out of it. Do your part in setting your future self up for success. Position size and making sure that you mitigate and manage risk. So I'm excited to follow up with AMC at these levels to see if it continues to hold. If it continues to bleed, then guess what? I'm going to have to reduce my position size and see once it actually begins to find a support level, I can buy more at those lower levels and then ride the recovery. The only other stock that I want to talk about as of right now is Tesla. Tesla hit $700 a share for about 1 millisecond today and quickly pulled on back. It's making lower lows and lower highs. Tesla reported today that it delivered over 200,000 vehicles for Q2, which is the most that it ever reported. Acted as a positive catalyst, shot up, quickly pulled on back, and guess what? I started shorting it. Kidding. Just trigger warning, right? People get so offended if you begin to short Tesla, but definitely makes sense on why it's pulling on back. Definitely great news. Just isn't holding at those higher levels. Now it's pulling on back. If it breaks below SMA line, it wouldn't really surprise me if it breaks down back to 670. So I might actually take short now, actually thinking about it. But the last thing that I want to share with you guys is actually we're looking pretty good right now on AMC. If we break above VMA, I'll probably add more. I'll actually add more right now. So just for the sake of the live stream. But how many of you guys are excited to buy the dip on AMC? Let me know down in the comment section. So I'll buy 500 more shares right now. Here we go. Let's buy 500 more on the Webull platform. There it goes. We got filled at 50.45. We'll see if higher highs form, and we'll follow up with it. The last thing that I want to let you guys know is that the Shop TechBot site, we just came out with our Wall Street collection. We do not restock once we sell out, and I can almost reassure you that these hoodies will sell out today. We don't have a lot of them, but these are fishtail scallop tees. So if you guys want to check any of them out, they're on the Shop TechBot site. That's going to be that third link down in the description. And all of these items are live now. They just went live today. So I hope that you guys enjoy them. That's on shoptechbots.com. But I really do appreciate you guys' time. I hope that we earned your thumbs up. I wish you guys nothing but an amazing 4th of July, an amazing safe weekend. Please be safe out there. And we'll see you at Market Open for our live trading session. And if you guys want to join us, that's that second link down below. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it to the team.